What's up, YouTube? I'm over here restoring this grill that I got off of the car, the LKQ pick apart. Um, yeah, so I you can look. I JB welded the there it goes. I JB welded the grill right here. It has a crack running through it, and it was coming apart whenever I took the back reinforcement, I guess bar or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so yeah, it was coming apart whenever I was cleaning it. So what I did was I got a phone jack, and I tied it on each side, to hold it together, so it can cure or whatever. Now outside, I'm painting that little reinforcement bar. As you can tell, knocked off the rust. And then just laying a coat of paint. Some of this paint and primer probably on black satin, just to make it look nice. Yeah, whenever I'm done with it, it's gonna look like this one that I have here. Yeah, I'll show you the back. Excuse my mess too. I got garage slash living room going on in here. But yeah, phone. Need a better camera, guys. Yeah, Yep. Yeah, so that's gonna be that one. Thanks.